ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తెలుగు అభిమానులందరికీ పేరు పేరున నమస్తే నమస్తే నమస్తే. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. యా చేయి బాగానే ఉంది. This is a small gift that Buchi has given me. So through the course of the film, I think last 25-30 days we were doing a Kusti Pailwan shoot, and I've asked him to get really trained artists, but he's got real Pailwans. जब action बोलते हैं ना जोरदार पकड़ते हैं, and that's what happened. So I have a cartilage there, but it's fine. It's worth it. It's a beautiful memory of Peddi. I'm going to have. Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing that. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. So now, sir, I have yes, sir. Sir would like to say something.
I want to thank Sukumar Garu for introducing the man to me. Thank you so much.
Rambhai, this one's for you. Talk to us. Of course, you talked about everyone here. Buchi Babu sir talked about you, of course. Jo humne samjha, sir, say thank you so much. But here, talk to us about this transformation of yours. And physically nahi tha, because I'm sure emotional also, you know, emotionally it was really challenging. Talk to us about that, please.
I mean, like Mr. Rahman sir said, there was a lot of spiritual journey tha isme. Because physically it was very challenging. Thanks to, first of all, Salman sir and Amir sir for giving us and paying the path for such films like Sultan and Dangal. It gave us so much confidence. Thank you, sir. Thank you, both of you, for starting this journey. And we believed that these kind of films had worked in the past.
Yeah.
And obviously, we followed the same route. And the transformation was inevitable. It has to be done. It is part of the story. When he narrated to me, I remember in my house, वो नीचे अच्छा carpet डाल के पूरा script ऐसा रख के he was going by one reading, and 2 hours 40 minutes. I didn't have anything to say. I just got up and we started this journey. I knew it was going to be physically very, very tiring, and it's all worth it for this man and the subject he's written. It is a very, very sincere film. This is about a man's search for his identity. So everybody, we all need some kind of an identity to live, to go through the day. And this is about Peddi, who's finding his identity. वो identity crisis रहता है. Through that, how he has found an identity for a very, very big reason, very big larger cause, and what all he had to go through. The crossover athlete, क्यों crossover athlete बना है? So what led him to do what he is? The pain in Delhi, you saw so it's a beautifully etched film. It is organic. At the same time, it's highly commercial, and it will take audience of all ages will be very, very happy and surprised to see this film. And I also believe this is the most inspiring story I have done in my life. Not just me. My dad saw part of it, and he said, Ram, for anybody to get a film like this, it normally takes a decade. हर साल में we can't have a Magadhira or RRR. It takes a while. He said, please relish every moment of this, because you're not going to get a movie like this again. So when my Magadhira happened in 2007, then RRR Rangasthalam, it took 10 years. But luckily now अभी तो थोड़ा जल्दी आ गया ये film. So good films don't come very easily, and this is one of those films I want to keep in my library forever.